Hello. So this is my project here. So this is module one project, and it deals with the asset management system. So on the screen, this is my users. You can see user controller, user routes here, user services. So this is where this one handles the controller, and the service handles the logic. So the service talks directly to my database. As you can see here, this is my schema for the database. So all these I'm running it on Postgres. I'm using pgadmin. So I created 4 tables. As you can see, we have categories, inventory items, transactions, and users tables. So so here's my code. This one is for authentication. This one handles categories. Config is where we connect the database. This is the database schema, and as you can see here, we have the inventory items. So this one handles inventory items, the middlewares. This one handles transactions, and this one is for users. So I'm going to demonstrate using users. So I am running this I'm using Thunder Client to test the APIs and the routes. So first I'm going to run the server in pm run dev. So as you can see, the server is running. Now we are going to test. So first of all, we are going to get all users from the database. So here we will select get the localhost 8000 and the route, which is users. So if I click send, as you can see here, it is showing this, it's successful, and we only have one user in the database, which is the admin. So let me show you here on the database. If I query select all from users, this one here, and run it, as you can see, there's only one data, which is the one user in the database, which is the admin, and the password is also encrypted, and the role here. So next, we're going to create. So when we create a user, we post, change here to post, and then user, then this is the body. So I'm going to use this one already. I already typed this one earlier to save on time. So I'm going to create this user called Tony, the email and the password there. So if I click send, you can see here on the right, user created successfully, and it shows the ID. The stuff, I had coded the stuff because we don't want any other user to be created as admin. So admin is the only person who has the rights to create a stuff. So if we check on the pgadmin, I'm going to run this again. As you can see, it has been updated here successfully, and even the password has been encrypted. So here's the second user. So next, let's update. If you want to update, you click put, update the user. So the user ID is 8, so we're going to add the user ID, which is 8. Then let's say we want to update the email from Gmail to Yahoo. If we click send, here it is, it has been updated. If we confirm here in the database, I'm going to run this one again here. As you can see here, it has been updated to Yahoo. Next, we're going to delete. Or first, let's get one user. There's also a way you can get one user. So first, let's get all the users. Oh, sorry about that. Get all the users. Let's search for the admin. You can see here it has gotten one user successfully, which is the admin. Let's say we want to delete. So to delete, you click here, delete, then you select the one you want, the ID you want to delete. So which is, let's delete this one, which is 8 here. So it has been deleted successfully. So if we go to the database and confirm, I'm going to run this. You can see we only remain the admin here. So yeah. So if we want to test again, let's test another table. Let's say categories. It lists all the categories here. So under the categories, we have the electronics, updated furniture, printing, and all. And if you also, let's try getting also the inventory. The same as this one also works. So here there is also, we've joined the table because there's a join between the inventory items and the category. So when you're creating the data, as you can see here, it has displayed the ID, the printer. These are the details of the item which is in the inventory, which is this HP. So if I do again, let's now test the transaction table. So far there is no data in the transaction table, so we're going to just use this table here, the inventory table. Yeah, so as you can see here, it has also collected the category ID. So it joins the two tables of inventory and the category table. So here, when you look at the inventory, the item which is in the database, this column here, the category ID, which is 5. So it refers to the category table to show us which item or which category is in the it's in the category table. So let's take note of category ID, which is 5. So if we search for the category, so category number 5 here is printing. So as you can see, the one which was in the items, the inventory items, it has captured this. It's referencing this category with this printing category here. Yeah. So all these is being handled. So this for the controller, this one handled, this is the controller, user's controller. It handles all the CRUD operations. So we have creating a user here, even the error handling, we are getting all users. You can, this one here, you can get a single user. You can update and you can also delete. Yeah, thank you.